Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn money using Brave browser. Let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load. Now, look near the address bar in the upper right area. You may see the Brave Rewards or BAT triangle icon. Click on this icon to open the Brave Rewards options. If Brave Rewards is available for your account and region, you'll see an option to start using Brave Rewards. Click on it to begin the setup. Brave Rewards can reward users with BAT, or Basic Attention Token. Keep in mind that rewards availability and eligibility can vary depending on your country, account, and Brave's current program rules. If Brave asks you to select your region, choose the country or region where you actually live. Then continue with the setup. Once setup is complete, you can check the Brave Rewards panel to see the features available to you and monitor any rewards you receive. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tutorials.